Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today we're going to do some stuffed chicken breast with Monterey Jack cheese, wrapped with bacon outside on the Pit Boss Vertical Copperhead 7 Series. Let's take a look at what we're doing here. I'll show you how to get these stuffed and ready to get out on the grill. Here we go, chicken breasts. It's your average regular chicken breast. Now what you want to do, get your knife and just run it like this. Just to butterfly it. Once you got it butterflied, it's open. There we go. Now for this one, I'm going to use this. Suckle Busters. This is the competition barbecue rub. It smells really good. I have used this one before. A week or two ago, and I liked it. It was really good. I'm going to try it again on some chicken this time. Just a little pat in, pat that down, and we're going to take some Monterey Jack jalapeno cheese. Just do that. Next thing we're going to do is fold her over, just like so. Then we're gonna wrap it up with bacon. Sorry for the arm in the way if that's bothering you. Take your bacon and just wrap it around. However you decide you want to wrap it around, wrap it around. There's no right way, there's no wrong way. There's just the way you do it. That's all. Get another piece. Remember, this is backyard barbecue, not competition style. So however you want to do it, you do it. Because you're eating it, your family's eating it, and maybe your friends if you're cooking for them. Just like myself, that's all it is. Family, friends, mostly the kids, just like that. There we go. Now I'll hit it again with on top of the bacon with a little bit of the rub. Just get a little more of that rub flavor on top. Just like that. And that's how I'm going to leave it to get them out on the barbecue. I'm going to get the rest of these ready and we'll pick back up when we're outside. Okay, we got this vertical up to temp almost. We've got it fired up and running. The cap's open a little bit. Now I got a grate probe on the top grate and a grate probe on the bottom grate. There you go, take a look at that. It's at 280 here right now. We got it set at 275. I don't know if you can make that out. Make that out a little better. You can see the little ball there showing up 275. And this one, I can't tell because the sun is blinding my camera right now, but that's 275 there. And as you can see, we're not exactly at 275 on this one yet, but that's okay. Now I have been running this for a bit, seeing how it operates and everything else, and I have noticed that on the lower temperatures, smoke setting 150, 175, 200, even 225, it doesn't run to those temps, to be honest with you. It's actually running much lower. Sometimes we have a 40 to 50 degree swing from what it's actually supposed to be at to what it actually is operating at. I've had this shut down on me a couple times now, giving me an ERL code, which I've Googled and that, and some people say it's the auger, some people say it's the temperature probe. Could be the controller, so I got to play around with this a bit more and see what's actually going on. I think the problem is it's not burning fast enough for what it's feeding in, therefore it's causing it to suffocate itself and sends up the error code. But a little more investigation and I'll get onto that. I might end up having to change the temperature probe out on it. Not a big deal if that's the case. I just thought I'd give you guys a quick update on that while this is coming up to temp still. And inside, I don't know if you can make that out there. Let me open it up for a second. Inside here, you can see I've been using it with the glass isn't 100% clean anymore. Inside, I got a foil pan, a baking pan, whatever you want to call it. It's 16.5 inches by 11.9 inches. It's a little bit bigger than what goes in there, but if you squeeze it down there enough, it'll fit inside nicely. I've got water inside of that. So we'll see how this runs today. I've never run it with water in it yet. We'll be checking that out to see how that operates. Well, I'll get back to you when I put the chicken on. All right, we're up to temp pretty much. Let's get some chicken on. I'm gonna go up here on the top rack. And I'm gonna put one there. And we'll go one right there in the front, just in front of the great probe that I have. And then we'll down one rack. I'm gonna put another 3 of them on this rack. That's all 5 of the chicken and stuffed with cheese and wrapped with bacon. That's all of those. Below that, I've just got some salt and pepper chicken thighs I'm going to put on. Just for the kids. They'll probably eat the one with the cheese and bacon too. I put 4 on that rack. Another rack here. Put another 4 on this one. I'm going to put 5 on this one because I got 5 left. There we go. So we're going to close up the door. Move my smoke to the front so I can see it and monitor it a little better. There you have it. We've got everything inside, ready to go. I'll pick back up in a little bit, probably half an hour, I'm guessing. We'll pick back up, show you what we're looking at in a half an hour. Here's what we're looking at inside for temp. This is the top rack, this is the bottom rack. It has gotten up to 270 degrees. It hasn't gone there again yet. This one has gone up to 249 and hasn't gone there yet. We're still set at 275, and then it keeps cycling up 280, then drops down to 240, and then goes back. That's normal the way they operate, but it's not normal the way that the temperature's not building inside of it. Let's take a look inside, see what our chicken's looking like after half an hour. Chicken thighs. I didn't show seasoning those, just with salt and pepper on them. Everyone knows how to do that. If you don't, then watch one of my other videos. Okay. We got water in the pan. Water steaming up pretty good there. Let's get this door closed. I'm actually going to go move that up to 300 right now. So we're going to leave that go on 300 for a little while. And we'll pick back up probably another 20 minutes, maybe half an hour. And we've been 20 minutes now since we turned the temperature up to 300 in the last time we were on here. Let's take a look. Let's probe these and see what we got going on. Let's start with these ones here. See what we're looking at there. 131. 136, 146, 5. The top, what's it looking like? 135. 133. I don't know if my camera's picking that up. You guys can see. Thighs. 137. 140. 157 there. 140 on that one. 150. We're getting there. Slowly we're getting there. It's okay. We're going to close it up. Let this keep going. There you have it. I'm going to let these finish off. I'll pick back up just before I pull them off. Alright, so we're right at about around an hour and a half right now. I have turned the temperature up to 350 just to crisp up that bacon a little bit. And I have removed the water pan that I originally had. I think it was a little bit too big. I'll have to modify that for the next cook and see how that works out. It was kind of obstructing the heat a bit from getting up into the cooker properly, but not a big deal. Worked around it. And we're temping it at about 160 right now. Just, let's see, 59, 58, around 160. We're going to let these go for just a little bit longer. Get them in the house, cut them up. And these are moving in and around 160-ish. 161, 162. So I'm going to let those go a wee bit longer. Pick back up once I'm ready to cut one of these in. So here we are back in the house. This has been resting for a little over 5 minutes, I would say. So let's cut into it. See what we're looking at. If you use toothpicks to hold anything together, make sure you pull them out first. It's unpleasant to get a bite of a toothpick if you end up cutting a piece off inside of there. Get those out. Get our knife. Let's give it a slice. Look at that. Slice right through the bacon, everything nicely. Cheese is melted. Hi. Hi. There you have a piece of bacon, piece of cheese. Nice and moist. And this breast is not dried. The bacon. Give it a bite. Stuff's really good, especially with that competition rub from Sucker Busters. Very good. Finish that little piece off. Well, there you have it. Smoked chicken breast stuffed with Monterey Jack cheese. Out on the vertical. Can't get any better than that. This will be a great dinner for us. We're going to enjoy it. You guys hit the subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you guys all on the next one. Bye.